And we're off and running. Had to make shade for the dog. Be gentle. Oh God. Oh God. Woo! Poor dog. We're not taking the pups on this trail again. Oh, that didn't sound very good.
No.
You hit something hard there, honey.
Yeah.
You okay, Scooter? Here we go again. Hold on, puppy.
Ooh, that didn't sound good.
I think we're losing some of our doors. And ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when you drive the Bronco up Crystal Mountain. Dun, dun, dun. How's it going under there, Mr. Meyer?
All right.
Tell the viewers how much you love your Bronco.
Oh, I do. I wish I could learn how to drive it. Oh, you're taking a picture?
Yeah, I'm cameraing. Yeah, Dave works on the truck and we drink the beer. The despicable Jeep is still running.
We're way up on top. You better be a little nicer to me till we get way down on bottom.
That's right, since we're working on ours.
We need to